What if the next generation of your favorite Go Anywhere gaming system didn't just look better, but had also been improved? Today, I've got my hands on the brand new Nintendo Switch 2 system, and I can't wait to see what this new era of Nintendo gaming has in store for us. Let's start by seeing what's in the box. Opening it up, we get our first glimpse at the console and Joy-Con 2 controllers. First impressions? I think they look absolutely fantastic. Starting with the console. Wow. It's just as thin as the original, but it has so much more packed into it that it's hard to believe they kept it at this thickness. It now has a bigger and improved 7.9-inch touchscreen display. It also has a redesigned, more versatile stand, a second USB-C port on the top, and an all-new microphone with noise cancellation. But more on that in a bit. Now, these new Joy-Con 2 controllers may look like the original ones, but I can tell you the controllers and buttons are bigger, and they feel so comfortable to hold. They also attach to the console magnetically now, and this all feels so solid in my hands. There's also a new feature that allowed Joy-Con 2 controllers to be used as mice in compatible games. You can make use of mouse controls on a desk or table, but also on your legs or even a couch. And what's this? A new button? Nintendo's given the right Joy-Con 2 controller the new C button, which allows you to access a game-changing addition, Game Chat. Game Chat is a new system-level feature that uses the built-in microphone I mentioned earlier and lets you chat with your friends while playing or just hanging out. So as we go through the rest of the box, we get the ultra high-speed HDMI cable and Joy-Con 2 straps. Wow. On the bottom layer is the Joy-Con 2 grip. This. Nintendo Switch 2 dock. A USB-C charging cable and Nintendo Switch 2 AC adapter. All right, now that we've got everything, let's get into a game. There are a bunch of new games coming for Nintendo Switch 2, like Donkey Kong Bonanza, Dragon Drive, and more. But the one I've got to jump into first is Mario Kart World. It's Mario Kart like never before, now set in a vast, interconnected world, featuring 24 driver races, a first in the series, a brand new elimination-based knockout tour, a free roam mode, and more. And I've got to say, it looks amazing on this new display, and it's so smooth thanks to that faster refresh rate. You'll also be able to play compatible Nintendo Switch games on Nintendo Switch 2, which is great news. Now, let's see how it looks on the TV. Wow, this looks incredible! The new system supports 4K gameplay, which really takes things to the next level. It's also got a built-in fan to keep the console cool, even when the race is heating up. Check out Nintendo Switch 2, as well as its new games and accessories, in-store and online at bestbuy.ca. Okay, I'm gonna get back to Mario Kart World.